Fix It Clinic is a new event for Fairfax County Public Library. Pretty much everyone has something that needs to be fixed. A jacket that you love that has a torn pocket, or a toaster that's out of alignment. At these programs, volunteer members of the community will repair your item that needs just a little bit of fixing to get working. The fixers will be volunteers. Members of the community are welcome to bring in their items. Anything that they can carry is a safe item to bring in. Various branches are going to have different fixers of different types, so you can get jewelry repaired, books repaired, fabric or woven items repaired, as well as small electronics. The library will also be providing services to repair bicycles, do basic bicycle repair, or to sharpen knives. If you'd like to volunteer at Fairfax County Public Library's Fix It Clinic, please go to the county's volunteer page and search for Fix.